Okay, how to check the system performance? Uptime, again, uptime. This is the output of the uptime command. It will give you the all stats. How much is the CPU is busy, how much is the memory is busy, you know, what is the load, how many user log into the system. It will give you the whole overview. And if you say like a Q here, it will quit the uptime command, or you can do the control C. Okay. And how to check the memory status? Free-M. It will tell you the status of your memory. Like how much is the total physical RAM? 470 is the 470 MB is the megabytes is the total memory, and used is how much? 137 MB, and free is 353 MB. Okay. And swap. What is swap? I will cover later. You don't have to worry now. And next thing is how to check the disk stats. Disk is how much is disk is busy, free or available. So this is my root. Okay, whatever you are seeing slash, this is whatever you are seeing here, this /, this is the C drive, like a C drive in the Windows. So how much is our root is free? First thing is what is the size of root? 19 gig. And how much is used? 13 gig. How much is available? 5.1 gig. And how much percentage is used? 70. So this is the way we can check the available disk. Okay? Okay.
So top command is for
performance.
performance.
Yeah, if you want to check the how much your system is busy, that's a top command. Okay? Okay, very good. A directory, my directory, and copy in that into temp. Find. I want to search from root. Slash. Type. Hyphen D. Very good. Name.
What was the name?
My dir. Maybe okay. I want to copy my dir. Hyphen exe.
CP-R.
CP.
Hyphen R.
And two brackets.
Open curly brackets. Open curly brackets. And then root TNP.
Destination where they want them.
And root backslash and semicolon.
If I want to redirect the errors.
Two greater than
Def
def null.
What is dev null?
That means nothing. Don't show.
Don't show me anything. Just put it in like a throw in the garbage. So again, important thing about the dev null. What is my EMP file has? Some data, right?
Yes.
I want to empty the data.
Greater than null.
Cat / dev cat emp.
That means it's deleting.
It's not deleting the file. It is
Emptying
the file. This is the way you can empty the file.
So it put the data into another file or just
No, it just clean up the data from the file.
Okay.
Doesn't matter if it's directory or file.
No, we can just keep the data in the file, right?
So
Not
it's
in the
sending
directory.
to nowhere. I mean, it's like
It's just throwing in the garbage.
Okay.
It's just going. You know, you're wiping the data from the disk.
okay.
Erasing the data.
You put the delete, you know.
So
Select on delete.
So when we are working in the real-time environment, we are not allowed to delete the files. If we delete the files, the application get crashed. So if I just want to empty out the file. I want to erase the data, right? So like my file consuming the space 10 gig. There is a log file just writing into the file, it's big, it's getting bigger and bigger, bigger and bigger. How can I clean up the space from my file? If I delete the file, my application look for the file, right? There is no file exists, application crash. So the file is getting bigger and bigger. I said just erase the content of the file, keep the file, but zero out the content. This is the way cat dev null. So this can be your interview question. How can you empty the file? Cat dev null. And this is important scenarios as per as your work as per your interview too. So they will ask, if the log file is growing, what you will do? I will say I will take the backup, I will copy into some other location and zero out the log file.
So can we back up these details? No, it's gone.
Now it's gone. Okay, now it's gone. Okay. And there is another command is the stat command. It will tell you the status of your file. Like what? This is very good command. It's tell you the file name, size 0, how many blocks is used, and IO blocks, block size is this much, regular file, empty file, and last time when I was axis and who is axis, last time modified, last time changed.
What does block stands for?
Yes, let me cover it. So, what happened when our hard drive, what is the block? What is the number of blocks? It's saying 0. If it is empty. In the hard drive, in hard drive, this is your hard drive, right? When we format, like when we format in the system, it will create into the small blocks, like a component, small components. Okay? So if I have a size 0, it means no blocks the file is used. Suppose what is the size of the blocks? 4096 bytes. Means how many kilobytes?
4
4 kilobytes. Right?
Yeah.
So if you take like a just divided by 1000, it will be 4. Just a second. What happened? Everything is the way your hard drive is laid out in the blocks. I will cover more detail when I cover the administration. Okay. So what is the block size? What is the size of this?
4 total.
4. Each block is 4K. So if say 0 blocks, 0 size means how many blocks occupied? 0, nothing. So if I say, if you created the size, file size is 12K.
3 blocks is
How many blocks occupied?
3 blocks.
So maybe it's blocks, 3 blocks occupied. Okay, 20K, another file created 20K file, 5 blocks is occupied. So this is the way the blocks occupied in the hard drive based on the file size. So you can see here size is 0. How many blocks?
0.
Block size
4
4 kilobytes. Regular empty file and access like this is the file permissions. Read, write, read 664 and UID this, GID this. And you can see access time. When was the last time I accessed the file? And modify time. And change time. What is the difference between modified and change?
Modifying, you adding something
Adding
to that file.
And change?
Change means you change completely to another, replacing, like a data. Or
Change maybe content change.
Changes?
Content of the file.
Content. Modify?
adding something.
Modify,
to
you
that.
maybe probably like you changing the permission.
Very good. Very, very good. How do you know that?
Just logical.
Study.
Okay, very good. So, modify
I
means?
watched the cars.
Yes. Modify means
Modification.
you are modifying the file. Maybe you are changing the ownership. You are changing the group members. You are changing the ACL. I will cover all this again in the administration. Don't worry about it. Change means modifying the content of the file. Okay? This is the difference between modify and change. Okay? So, another, what is the command? Stat command. Okay. And it will show you how many links, inode number. Inode number, it will tell you the inode number and how many links? One links. Okay? Now we are going to learn about the links. Okay?
I know.
And what is inode number? Inode number is the index number. Okay, I will cover more detail in when I cover the administration file system management. But you have to know now, inode number, whenever you create the file, okay, referring to your inode number, there is some information, it will keep the information about the file. Information about the file, right? Like we call the metadata of the file. Metadata, what do you mean by metadata?
Data about data.
Data about data means what file is created, who is the owner, how many links, who is the group member, you know, when was the last time modified. Whatever you are seeing using the stat command, this information resides in the inode number. Inode number keep all this information, number of links and everything. Okay? So, don't worry about now, like I will cover the...
It's like ID.
Yes, it's an ID.
ID
So,
for
whenever you create any file,
Yeah.
one
Yes,
inode number
ID,
is
yeah.
created. Whenever you create the directory, inode number is created.
according to that.
You know, one inode is for one file or a directory. Suppose, okay, again, like I will cover in the administration. Forget. But for now, just keep the inode number is the inode is the inode number, index number. It is keep the information about the file. What information? Number of blocks, owner, group owner, and what is the permissions, and number of links. Okay, last access time, last modification time. So whatever the information you see in the stat command, those information, the inode number is keep that information. This is important for the interviews.
How's it gonna ask?
Huh? What is inode number, they will ask. So it is in index number. What is the purpose of inode number? It keeps the information about the file. What information about the file? Like a username, group owner, you know, and number of blocks, and block locations, and size, no, not size, block locations, and the permissions, group owner, last access time, last modification time, number of links. Okay, what is links? We are going to learn. So they will ask one question, they will ask the question from your answer, mostly. Yes, sir.
Do I use inode number to search the file?
Yes, very good. You can use the inode number to search the file. When you will use, you will see. Okay? Very good. Any more any questions? No questions. So let's learn about the links. And I'm like this links, maybe they will ask, you know, at least 2 questions in the interview. Okay? So what are the different types of links we have? We have two different types of links. One is the hard link, another is the soft or symbolic. Okay? One is the hard link, another is the soft or symbolic. Okay. First we will learn about the hard link. Sorry, soft link. Soft or symbolic link we will learn. Suppose World Illinois Skokie, I have a file called, my file, or I have a file called data. This is my data file, right? What file I have? Data file. Where it is located? Home, World, USA, Illinois, Skokie. If I want to write anything into that file, I have to go into the directory. First I log into the system. I have to go into that directory, right? But I said, man, whenever I log in, I want my data directory to be here. But the original location the file has to be on the original location. But it will nice to have, I have a link here, like a shortcut. Like your software is installed under the C program files, but what happened? The shortcut is created on your desktop. So same way, the symbolic link is the same way it is, you can create the shortcut. So what is the command you can create? ls -s ln, sorry, USA, sorry, World, USA, Illinois, Skokie, data, and you can give file name. Data space, you can give file name. Again, it follow the format: command, option, source, space, destination. So where I want to create wherever is my present directory. So what file you want to create with the shortcut? Data, or you can give any file, my data, your data, whatever you want. You can give any file name. So once I enter here, what happened? Can you see? Data is linked with. Can I access the data? Can I access the content of the file?
Yes.
How can I? Cat data. Can I write the write into it?
Yes.
Yes. Cat. I'm adding content using link file. Right? Look at the content. Cat data. Right? Okay. What is the file? This is the what is the data file? How can I say it is a link with that file?
It says L on the beginning of.
Very good. It's saying a link,
Yeah.
and it is showing the original file, right? So it's not showing the directory, it's showing the whole file, path file. Okay, it's linked with. Okay? Okay. So then if I go World, USA, Skokie, Illinois, what I have if I do the cat data?
The same data.
So it has the same data. Right?
Yes.
So what happens if I delete the data?
It's delayed from the
screen from a shortcut.
So can I access my data is exist here?
It exists, but you can access.
Can I, if I do cat data, what happened? The file is exist, right?
Yeah, files exist, but
Nothing, because that is gone.
error.
No such file or a directory. So what you learn here, if the source file is get deleted, okay, if you have the link file, if the source file is get deleted, you lost whole data. But it's just showing the link. It is a bad link.
But if you delete the link, it will not affect the source.
If I delete the link, it will affect the source?
No.
No.
You just deleting your shortcut, right?
Exactly. We are creating the shortcut, deleting the shortcut. So how can I clean up this link? Unlink data. So if I do ls, it's gone?
Yes.
Gone. So again, follow the steps here. Okay? Hope you guys have the directory world. Run this command. World USA Illinois Skokie. Run this command. Then go to the directory. Create
Data.
data. This is my data file and control D. Okay, then run the cd command. It will bring you to your home directory and create the link file here. ln world USA Illinois Skokie data and create with the data file. Then cat data. This is my file. Then you can add the content. Data. I am adding content using link file. Control D. Cat data. Got it? Do these steps. I will give you 5 minutes. Right? Using that link, I can access the data. I can update the data. I can, view the data. I can modify the data link. Basically, it's shortcut in my home directory. Then what I will do, now I said I want to create my world directory. I want to create my world directory link in my /tmp directory. Where I want to create the link? My /tmp directory. How can I create the link? cd. I will go the temp directory. Then what command I run? ln-s. Then home am7 world, right?
Yes.
Space world. Do ls. Can you see? If I go in the world, what I have? USA Illinois Skokie. I have data file. Okay? Okay, do it this. I will give you. So for directory, if I try to unlink it, so we created the directory, right? Where we created under
Temp.
temp. ls-l. There is my world, right?
Yes.
How can I unlink the world directory? Unlink world. Make sure it does not have /. If it is have /, it will complain this.
Yeah.
And just you say unlink world. Then do ls. It should gone. Unlink it. Now, what we are going to learn? Where I am now? Temp. If I type cd, where I am now? My home dir, right? Okay. Clear. pwd ls. ls-l. So, how can I see this is the link file? It's starting with the L, right? And this is the file, say number of links. But soft link, it say it has only original one file. It does not change for the soft link. Okay. Now what I will do, I will unlink. So I have data, I will keep it. I don't mind. Then I will go again. My world USA Skokie. Then I create another directory called my data1. Cat greater than data1. This is my data1 directory file. Sorry. Okay. Control D. Then cat data1. Okay. So where I am now? I am in world USA Illinois Skokie. When I type cd, what happened? Where I will be? Home directory. Then I will create the link, hard link. If I want to create the hard link, I don't have to specify
Yes. Soft.
-s. hyphen S is for the soft link. So world, USA, Illinois, Skokie, data 1, then I will say data 1. I do ls. Can you see?
Yes.
Okay, if I do ls hyphen l, okay, if you do ls hyphen l, what you're seeing here?
Nothing. I mean, there is no.
Data 1 is the direct file, link file, right?
Yeah.
So are you seeing anything there?
Two links.
So cat ls hyphen l. So I will remove. Wait, I will remove. No, I will remove rest of the directories, so it will be better for us.
Out sys config. Yeah.
Okay. So if I do ls hyphen l, what is data 1? Cat data 1. It's a hard link file, right? So you can see it's showing any, it's starting with L? No. And what it's showing here? 2. And this is the file name.
No part.
But how can I find, this is the, like, okay, how can I find whatever later? So if I do cat, so what happened? Can I access the content? Can I add the content?
Yes.
Data 1. I am adding content using hard link file. Control D again. Okay. Cat data 1. Then I will go to world, USA, Illinois, Skokie. Can I see the same content here if I do cat data 1? Yes. Right?
Yes.
If I do ls hyphen l, what you will see here?
Same thing.
2, right? Then what happen if I delete this file, original file?
The other one is the same. Keep the one.
I delete the original file, right?
Yeah.
I think it's the
I still have
the
everything.
home directory too.
So what happened?
I still have everything.
The content still exists or gone?
Exists.
I delete the source.
Exists.
But I have existed.
It's hard.
Huh?
I have everything.
So if I do cat,
I close this one as a source, right?
Yeah, it's gonna keep
Still there.
the data is there.
Yeah.
So what happened in the hard link?
It keeps,
Even if I delete the source, my data, there is no source or destination files like a soft link. Soft link show this is the source, this is the link file. But here no. All files are same, but they are internally linked. So my data is there. You are deleting one file, but same time if you have the multiple files, link file, hard link file, if you are updating one file, it's automatically data get updated
Another one.
another file. If you are updating this file, the data get updated here too. So, but if I do ls-l, what it was showing before?
the 2 right now.
It was showing 2, right? Now how many links I have? I have only one link. Make sense?
So
Okay.
if you delete it one more time, it just disappears right
Can
there.
you explain one more time?
Yeah, sure. So, here I delete the data 1 file too. Okay. So what I will do, I will go to USA Skokie and create the file called, this is data 1 file. Control D. ls-l. What is showing? How many links? This is the number of links. If I do stat, again the data 1, how many links it's showing? One read, right? Then what I will do, I will go to my home directory, right? I run the command ln world USA Illinois Skokie data 1. Then I say like a data 1. Then I run the stat again the data 1. How many links I have now?
I have two.
Right? So if I do ls-l, are you sure how many links we are seeing here? Two. But Where is the associated link file? How can I say this is my link file?
2.
Yeah, but data 1, I want to see where is the link file associated. If the symbolic link, it's directly pointing, here is my source.
Yeah.
So here, if I say like a data 1, this is the number of links.
Yeah.
It's saying 2, right? But where is another other source file, other link file? How can you find out?
You mean the location?
Yeah, path.
Yeah.
Where's the path?
Yes.
That's a good question.
So this is all things the interview questions. They will ask you, how can you check how many links the file has? LSFNL will tell you how many links. But if you find the multiple links, how can you find the associated link file? Where it is exist? Right? So you will see here, I will show you here one thing. Stat data 1. What is the inode number here?
72.
I will do the stats. World, USA, Illinois, Skokie. Data 1. What is the inode number?
Same.
Same number.
So what you're seeing here,
Mirroring.
Index.
what we have the same here between two files?
Inode numbers.
Huh?
Inode numbers.
Same inode numbers,
Search bar inode.
right? Same inode numbers. Then how can I find the associate link file if I get your inode number? Very good. Search for inode. So I said hyphen inum is the option. Then I give, this is the inode number, right?
Right.
Then find inode. What is giving me?
This one is
Full
2
path.
links.
It has 2 links. Can you see what are the file has this link file? What command I run? Find from here num this. Right? What you see here? Can you see now I find the both link file, right?
It's a different location.
So what is common, what is the difference between hard link and soft link?
Soft link is just the virtually.
Wait, hold on. Before going. Virtually, physically, forget it. So here,
It's virtually.
wait. So here, sat data. It's a soft link, right? Sat world, USA, Illinois, Skokie, data. What is the inode number here?
66, there is 67.
It's the same, I know. Different. Different one.
Okay. You got it, right? I have written. Now if I ask you, what is the difference between soft link and hard link?
I know that there are 2 different files in soft link, but it is the same file in.
The
in
inode
hard
number
link.
is
There's
same
two
in
differences.
hard.
Look what I'm saying is
Two points.
the inode is the same. That means that it's the same file with the same characteristic, everything. But when you soft link, you're gonna create a
Hard
new
link,
file.
hard link doesn't show
There's
the.
two difference.
Doesn't show the.
What you're saying?
In software, if you delete the different.
Okay.
In soft link,
what I'm
if you
saying
delete
is-
in soft link, if you delete the source, the link doesn't work. It's just a
What I'm
shortcut.
saying is like when you make a soft link, it's creating a new file. That's why it has a different the inode. But when the hard link is the same inode number, same content.
Same file.
So what is the difference between them?
So when you,
Soft link is creating a.
Wait, I know what you're trying to tell. I know.
okay,
What is the common difference? I show you like a difference, right? In hard link,
in soft link.
in hard link, what we have?
The same inode number.
Same inode number. Soft link, what we have?
Different inode number.
Got it?
There is another difference.
But when you say this one is gonna be like funny, but they actually what's going on, I'm explaining,
No. It is totally different files.
That's what
It
I'm
is
saying.
no. You are saying the hard link. There is no file creating. There is a file created.
I said
The
created.
same inode
The
number.
file is created, but same inode. You got the concept. You got the concept. You are thinking file created means it has a different inode. File has the same inode means it is not creating the file. It is something like virtually you are saying. But here file is creating, but it has same inode. Physical file creating.
Connected.
So what is the difference if I ask you?
Just I know this different.
Very good. The inode number is different. Got it?
Yes.
What is inode number and everything? We will learn more when we start the file system management. Okay? But now again, you don't have to run the stat command to check the inode number. Another command is -i. Okay, if I want to see the inode number of data, this is inode number of data. If I want to check inode number of World, Skokie, Illinois data, this is the inode number. ls-i data 1, this is the inode number. World, Skokie, Illinois data 1, this is sorry, this is the inode number, right?
Same one.
So what is the difference between soft link and hard link?
Soft link a different inode number, hard link is the same inode.
Soft link has a
Different.
different inode number. Hard link,
Same.
same inode number. And we are done with the links basically. Did I show you how to create the hard link for the directory?
No, just file.
It's not the same.
You
It's
say
different.
LN.
So we cannot create the
Without this.
hard link for directories.
So this is the difference, right?
Yes. So we cannot create. We can't create the hard link for the directory. So now the interview trick you. Okay, tell me the command how to create the hard link for the directory. Immediately what you will say? ln source destination. No, sorry, we cannot create the hard link for a directory. We can create the soft link for the directory. Now interviewer asks you, okay, what how to check the file has how many links?
Start.
Stat. What is the other command?
ls-l.
Huh? What is the other command? Stat command and
ls-l will show
ls-l, right?
how many.
Second line will show you that is the how many links
How
for the
many?
file.
Yes.
Okay, now interviewer asks, if you find the multiple links, how did you find out the associate link file?
Stat inode number.
No, fine.
Find I number.
First what you have to do?
Check that.
Sir,
Check the inode.
yes, check the inode.
Yeah.
How can you run the find inode number without knowing the inode number? What inode number you are searching?
-i.
So so first they are asked how to find the how many links has ls-l. How do you find associated link file for the hard link? First I will check the inode number. How do you check the inode number? ls-i command or stat command. Then then I will search find -num inode number. Right? Then it will give me whatever the file has the multiple inode number. Okay? So for the lab again we will do here the steps. So I'm going to World, USA, Illinois, and Skokie, creating file data 1. Okay, this is my data one file using for hard link. Control D. Then I will come here ls ln hyphen ln w world USA Illinois data one is cookie data one ls hyphen l. How many links? It's showing 3 links. Then what I will do, I will go to temp and deleting everything whatever I have. Just shoot something like pin dash. Wait just a second, sir. Just to clean up the things for you guys. So I'm doing from the beginning, okay? World Illinois, World USA Illinois, Skokie, data one. Alright? Cat. So from the beginning I'm doing present working directory slash home am7 world USA Illinois Skokie, then creating the file called data one. This is my data one file for hard links. Control D. Then I come back to my here, then running ls hyphen ln world USA Illinois Skokie data one. Then if you see ls hyphen l, how many file links I have? 2 links. Then I will go into the temp and ln hyphen ln slash home am7 data one. Then I say like a data one. Then I will do ls hyphen l. How many links I have? 3 links. Then I will go back to my here. How many links I am seeing? 3 links. Then I will find the inode number. ls hyphen I data one. This is my inode number. Find slash hyphen num 397276 right to dev null. What I am doing to dev null? Clear? So follow this step. What I did, I create the multiple